Rosemary Austin was my cousin. I called her my aunt. And when the shit went down with her ex-husband, he went to beating on her. Well, she filled him full of birdshot and he died. And then she met C.E. Ewing, who was a good man. And he made good on a promise with her. And he loved her till he died. And all sons, I was my daddy's favorite son. And when I showed up at deer camp, she told me, she said, "Hey, Jace," because that's what she called me, "take me hunting." And so that morning we loaded up in a borrowed truck with a borrowed gun and a fifth of Jack Daniels Black and sat on a borrowed stand until we couldn't stand it no more. And we got in that truck and turned on that Waylon Jennings. She said, "Drive over to Danny's place, there'll be some deer there." And sure as shit, when we pulled up in there, deer went everywhere. And I took that gun, she said, "Shoot." And when I shot, I center punched that first one and broke the one behind its back. And I just got out of the truck and cut its throat. And when I walked back to the truck, she looked at me and she said, "You're my hero." Listen, all my life, I always wanted to hear them words. And last night I was sitting outside the house in a hot tub with what's fixing to be my wife. And she looked at me and she told me, "You're my hero. You're always what I wanted." And the whole world stopped. That would have never been possible. That would have never happened had it not been for the things that hurt so bad in my life that gave me a chance to become that. The pain, the hurt, that led me to greatness, that led me to a better choice, that I didn't have to shoot up no more. I didn't have to beat myself to death. I didn't have to go through the constant circle of failure because I decided the hell life was worth living. If you're fighting that right now, hey, I'm living proof that you can be the hero too. God bless you. Fluid English.
Thank you, look.